It's New Food Friday. What in the world are we gonna try this week? Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
So we've got the Popchips. I don't know that I've ever heard of this company before. I saw them though, and I was really drawn to the Buffalo Ranch, but then they also had the Crazy Hot, so we're gonna try these. Let's go outside and see what people think. And then you gotta taste it and tell us what you think.
Okay, we have bold and crunchy Buffalo Ranch,
Or
and
Crazy
the same company, but crazy hot. I'll try this one.
All right.
I'll try. If I have a choice, I'll try this one. My wife will try that one. But
Okay.
that's actually good.
Yeah.
Yeah, Buffalo Ranch. Yeah, that's. Yep, that's Buffalo Ranch. And that's good. That's not too hot or anything. I'll try the Crazy Hot.
All right, Crazy Hot.
Crazy Hot hasn't hit yet.
You gonna park it right there?
No,
No?
it's not Crazy Hot.
No?
It's good. It's good. I like this better.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. But I would expect that one to be painful.
Yeah, I've heard. I mean, to.
Yeah, it's not. No, it's not Crazy Hot. I mean, this one actually had more spice than that one.
Okay.
I like that one better.
Awesome.
Absolutely. What do the kids say?
Oh, we haven't let them try these yet. All right, John. So here we are at the Xscapers Annual Bash, and our friend John here is going to give them a try.
So all the solos will be over there.
Tastes like a buffalo wing.
It does.
It really does.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. And I'm not a spicy person, so those are pretty good. They're not crazy hot.
No, they're not crazy.
I like the flavor of those, like John said, but
Yeah.
they're both pretty good.
All right, let's go see Tony now.
John speaking.
Hello everybody. What do we got here? We have Buffalo Ranch, bold and crunchy, and Crazy Hot.
Crazy Hot.
Ready?
Why don't you go Crazy Hot first?
Tony made him try it, and he was like, it burned my mouth. Spit it out.
Oh, am I in this
Crazy
too?
Hot?
I got them in too. Hold on.
No.
Can you give me a water?
I think you need milk for that.
Yeah. All right. It's not bad.
What do we
It
got?
tingles a little bit. Popchips, Crazy Hot.
Crazy Hot.
Yeah. That's hot. It's not bad. It's good though.
There's a lot of good smoky flavor right to start.
Yeah.
And that's when it starts, though, isn't it?
It starts. Yeah.
It's coming.
It's wrestling my tongue right now.
You got an extra like 15 seconds on me too, so I'm watching you to see what my reaction is going to
Are
be.
you sweating?
It's going down quickly.
All right, let's try the
Look yummy.
Buffalo Ranch.
Buffalo Ranch.
Actually, I'd buy a bag of these.
I like buffalo. I would eat the crap out of that. That is really good.
Yeah, I like those.
Yeah, that's like.
I'd eat both of them though. They're pretty good.
Yeah. Like when I'm out on the road and I hit an Applebee's because there's nothing else open and I get the buffalo wings, that's what it tastes like.
And your whole buffalo wing is drenched in ranch. You do that?
Yeah.
That's a me thing. I don't know. It's like
Right. And then you take the celery and you throw it as far as you can. It's like I didn't
hit the waitress in the back of the head.
What is this?
I didn't want
Let's start with Crazy Hot.
No,
Just one.
I'm not doing crazy hot.
Oh, wait.
Well, I do have a water. I guess I'll try it. I'm not up for this. Me either. Not spicy. Good? Okay, it isn't? No, at least not that bad. I like it. Good. After a while, it gets spicy. Oh my gosh, no. No. Okay, it's good. No.
No?
This is good. I like them.
Those are super duper good.
Tastes kind of like hot ranch. Never.
You all right?
No, it's not that spicy, but it doesn't really have a flavor. My throat burns. Don't eat it.
Double thumbs up.
Up for boys, down for girls. And one eh. All right, let's try Buffalo Ranch.
Nope, not doing it. Usually when it's like buffalo, it's always spicy. These ones are ranch tasting. They're not really spicy.
You gonna try it?
No. It's not very spicy. It's not really that spicy. Well, that was good. The other one was really hot. This one's really good. They're both good. I'll try it, I guess. Those are really good. I'd say that those are even better. Buffalo Ranch is better. Buffalo Ranch is way better. Even though I can't really taste it. I like this.
All right, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Double thumbs up.
On Buffalo Ranch.
This is Buffalo Ranch.
It actually tastes like buffalo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd go buffalo.
So thumbs up on the buffalo.
I'd go buffalo.
Thumbs down on the crazy hot, or just?
I would eat them,
Yeah.
but I like those ones better. Probably I need to do more stuff. But thank you.
Yep. It has more flavor versus just hot.
I think these ones are unanimous.
Let's try them.
All right.
Not liking that one.
Thumbs up, thumbs
I
down.
think I'm getting buffalo. I don't like buffalo, so
Okay.
that's not,
What, did you have the buffalo or the crazy hot?
I had the crazy hot.
Okay. There's the buffalo.
Okay.
Would you like to try them? Organic
Ooh. I don't care for either one of them. So, but the first one is the least worst.
So thumbs down across the board.
Yeah, thumbs down. I'm not liking it. Oh man, I'm gonna find some water.
Crazy hot?
This is Buffalo Ranch.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. And crazy hot. Yeah. Just tell me thumbs up or thumbs down on crazy hot.
Yeah, thumbs up.
And how about buffalo?
Definitely thumbs up.
All right. You ready to try?
I know. I like the buffalo.
I saw the crazy hot.
buffalo.
So thumbs up on that one, and thumbs down on that one. All
All
right.
right, can I give it a try?
Go for it.
Ooh, those are hot. Need something to wash that down.
That's what I said. Crazy.
Where's the water? Crazy hot.
The buffalo.
Yeah, good. I've had those before,
Yeah.
but I haven't had crazy hot. It's not crazy hot though.
That's what a lot of people are saying. Is it's really not that crazy?
Buffalo, I think.
Yeah.
I mean, they're both okay, but I think if I was going to buy them, I would buy the buffalo again.
Cool. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
All right, buffalo.
Buffalo.
We need to wash. Kool-Aid. I get at least Kool-Aid. Good.
All right. So thumbs up on the buffalo.
I think so.
These are different, huh?
Yeah.
Crazy hot and buffalo?
Buffalo Ranch. Yeah.
Ooh, buffalo ranch.
Yeah.
They're not crazy hot. They're not even really hot.
There's the princess.
I feel like they're both the same aftertaste on crazy.
You're missing out on the blind chip
Two
test.
thumbs up on both of them.
You thumbs up for both?
I would do both.
Awesome.
Spicy.
Buffalo has a little weird taste,
Mm-hmm.
something at first to it, and then the buffalo hits.
All right. So now we're
Yeah.
going crazy hot.
Thumbs up on both.
I kind of have to like wait for it to like.
Got to cleanse the
Yeah,
palate.
we should have,
I started with that one.
Kool-Aid.
water crackers.
That one's good. Wait, which one?
So it says jalapeno? Oh, buffalo.
Buffalo.
Ooh, the buffalo's good. Crazy hot, not so crazy hot. What is this pop chip? Pop chip?
Yep. That's
Different.
Kettle Brand is really similar, which has some good flavors too. We've done several of theirs. Yeah.
Oh man, that starts kicking in at the end.
Like at the Bashes, the kettle stuff is actually back in the organic section chips instead of like with the regular chips.
For me, it was an issue of texture. I don't like the texture of this pop chip.
Gotcha. Which one you got? Crazy hot?
Follow me.
You're going thumbs up or thumbs down on the hot one?
Oh, okay. We're down.
Probably down.
Probably down.
Those are better.
Yeah?
They're okay.
So it's okay? All right.
Like
tentative
spicy though, or
thumbs
no? Which one should I go with first? All right, I'm gonna go with the crazy hot first.
I'll say they both got some good bite to them.
Oh no, that's gross.
So thumbs down on the buffalo? Or no, that's the crazy hot.
Crazy hot, no. Has a weird texture. Better flavor, but still the texture is really
Different, yeah.
different.
Someone else meant they didn't like the texture on these either.
Yeah.
But so thumbs down both. Oh, boo.
Double.
Double thumbs down.
Throw
So thumbs up, thumbs down on the Crazy Hot.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Does anybody need a vegan burger?
Thumbs up.
Double thumbs up. Awesome.
Crazy Hot first.
Going.
I consent.
I
All right.
consent. Cheers.
Bye-bye. No. Daddy,
Oh,
Charlie
good.
stole one of the voting.
So you guys both did the same one, or?
I did Buffalo Ranch. You did Crazy
All right.
Hot.
So go ahead and switch, and then we'll get your opinion at the end.
Which one of the girl colors? I want one spicy.
You want a spicy one? Okay. Cheers.
Salud.
All right.
Great.
All right. So Crazy Hot. What do you guys think on that one? That's this one.
I'm still letting it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still letting it fester a little bit.
That one.
I like the flavor.
Yeah, flavor's better on Crazy Hot, and the crunchy tastes like Cheetos.
I think Courtney would like the Buffalo Ranch a lot better.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
She loves that food. That tastes pretty good.
Gotcha.
I like the Crazy Hot.
Yeah, and they're gluten free. You know that?
Good.
Well, most chips are.
There you go.
Non-GMO. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, cool.
Very good. Very
Well,
good.
thanks, guys.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
That was delicious.
You had the Buffalo Ranch.
Just hot, no flavor.
Just hot, no flavor.
Yeah.
All right. But you're still giving it a thumbs up.
Oh yeah, it's
Okay.
really good. Yeah.
Awesome.
And good.
And if you want to try the other one, you can too.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Okay.
Might be too hot.
I'm gonna go Buffalo Ranch. I'm not gonna do Crazy Hot. All right.
Dad, can I have one?
Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Yeah.
Nice.
Really spicy.
Not super spicy.
Yeah.
Just a slight, tiny bit of heat, not a lot.
And we've heard a lot of mixed reviews on the other one. I didn't feel like it was hot, and most people haven't, but a couple have said it. Thumbs up? Awesome.
I ordered mine the day before.
Good.
So thumbs up on the Crazy Hot?
Buffalo Ranch is better.
Gotcha. Awesome.
Very good.
Nice.
That was the Buffalo Ranch first? Thumbs up?
I like Buffalo Ranch better.
Gotcha.
They're both good. Just for.
Crazy hot.
Is this for a video you're doing? Yep. Are you being sponsored by Popchips?
No.
Ooh, those are hot. I wouldn't say crazy. I would say maybe like borderline hot. Like on the way to the insane asylum, but not admitted. And what's this one? Oh, I like it. It tastes like Buffalo Ranch chicken. I like it. Can I have one more of those?
Is this part of the new Food Friday too?
Yeah, you want to try some?